Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm getting you that pre-look for a consigned unit here at Big Pine Sports. This baby is loaded up. Check this build out. I will post up in the description a build sheet of everything that this thing's gonna come with. Also includes paddles front and rear. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Stage 5 audio and rugged radios. The build sheet's long. This is going to be a good deal for somebody. It is here at Big Pine Sports on sale. Give us a call, we'll get you taken care of. Need financing, we can help you out with that as well. We got the best finance guys in the business. Have a good day everybody, a lot more info to come, but here's that first look.